So you said that we are joyful when we don't do anything. So why can't we be joyful when we are doing the things we like?
No, I didn't say that you are joyful when you don't do anything. In fact, I said that in joy there is a great eruption of energy. And when a joyful fellow does something, he is unstoppable. What we mean is that in intelligence, the doing of all conditioning comes to a stop. What you call as doing, that stops. What you call as doing, that stops. And happening begins. Are you getting it? Doing is the function of the fake self. Doing is the function of the fake self. We'll call that as the ego. Ego. Ego is always busy with doing. Whereas in intelligence, things happen. They are not done, they happen. For example, right now, I am not replying to you. A response is happening. I have not thought out a response. I have no idea of what I would be speaking next. It's just happening. Are you getting it? Doing is the function of the fake self, the ego. Yes? You could say there is the situation and then there is a response. And there is no difference between the two. There is no separation between the two. You are in complete contact with the situation. And what is the situation right now? This question is the situation. And I am understanding this question by coming in good contact with it. And out of that understanding flows a response. It happens. You don't do it. It's not a question of doing. It's a question of letting it happen. Just letting it happen. And it happens. You don't push, you don't do. You just let it flow. You see the difference? Are you getting the difference? Yeah?